always had a hard time finding your place in this world, haven't you? Never knowing your true worth. You can settle for less than ordinary life. Or do you feel like you were meant for something better?
With Star Trek Into Darkness coming out in a couple of weeks, I decided that I'm going to do my first pre-review on the J.J. Abrams directed Star Trek. The movie was released in 2009, and I will honestly say, I didn't like it as much as I do now. Probably because some of the twists caught me off guard, and I didn't really understand them. I actually got so confused in the theater that I just walked out because I couldn't focus. But it's 4 years later, and I must say, it's an awesome movie. I think what really captured me about this film was the style. It's very well done and gleaming, and it's so amazing to look at. J.J. Abrams does a fantastic job with this film at rebooting this franchise. Now, I wasn't ever a fan of Star Trek. I've never seen previous movies or episodes of it, but I have to say, I am a fan now. This movie doesn't make me want to watch the past franchises or episodes, but the reason for that is, I'm satisfied with how J.J. Abrams does with this film. It's good enough for me. I feel like this is the movie that made Chris Pine a star. I mean, he's not everywhere, but he's bigger than he was when he did Princess Diaries 2. But I actually was so impressed with Zachary Quinto as Spock that I feel like he made the movie for me. He was incredible. Just incredible. Eric Bana was a good villain, but I feel like it didn't work as well if they didn't go with someone else. I don't know why, I just didn't really fear him or care or find him menacing as much as I probably should have. Anyway, I give Star Trek a 9 out of 10, which is the rating of classic. Now, let's talk about Star Trek Into Darkness.
You think you can't make mistakes? But the choices you make could get yourself and everyone under your command killed.
This movie looks freaking awesome. The trailer really captures the essence of what a trailer should use to pull an audience in, because I'm immensely impressed with how great the sequel looks. But what really makes me excited is Benedict Cumberbatch as the villain. Oh my gosh, he looks so menacing and wow, just watch this clip.
Now, shall we begin?
I feel like he's going to steal the movie. Another thing is, I feel like this sequel is going to make big moves that are going to just be incredible and just a great cinematic experience. It's going to be awesome, I think. I give the trailers to Star Trek Into Darkness for this pre-review a smiley face, which is the rating of strong feeling. Well, that's it. That's my pre-review. I'm Double A, and this has been MV Reviews. More stuff to come later. Peace.